Hello, my name is Pete Carlson, and I'm here to show you some of the awesome features of the Nissan Frontier. Follow me. Nissan Frontier offers the Utili-Track system, which allows you to adjust cargo space, and you can tie things down exactly where you want them to stay. Also, with the Utili-Track system, it comes with a sliding bed liner. So you can effectively have over a 6-foot bed and have items secured and fastened down to the tailgate of the truck. Also, it comes with 4 locking cleats. These cleats are designed to go in place anywhere along the back of the vehicle, anywhere on each side. So when you're transporting cargo, you can have it secured exactly where it needs to be to stay upright, stay safe, not be bouncing around. You also have the Utili-Track cover. This keeps the track clear from debris and dirt. If you're going to use the Utili-Track, you simply slide them out. With these 4 cleats, you can secure items exactly to the bed of the truck. You can have them extended out this way, or you can use this sliding bed extender to keep items in place here. Keep items in place here. Lots of versatility, lots of options on the Nissan Frontier. Come take a look.